Welcome to SoFlo TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So right now, the rumor mill is spinning. The rumor mill is spinning because they're saying that Mavado is very upset at DJ Khaled for his placement on DJ Khaled's new album. The album name is Grateful, and as you can see, Sizzla is leading on this album. Now people are saying that DJ Khaled has exchanged one Jamaican dread for another one and keep it moving as business. Here is the play track list for the album. As you can notice, Sizzla Kalonji is at the #1 part intro with I'm So Grateful. See it? Featuring Sizzla. You don't find Mavado there on this album until you hit number 22 on the album. Now, I must tell you this. On most albums, you normally start to skip tracks around 5, 6, 7, somewhere in there. And a lot of albums, you just let them play out while you cleaning the house, or if you're driving in a car while you're looking out the window doing something else. Nobody really pays attention after you hit 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And this album has a... But to DJ Khaled's credit, he has a lot of great people, a lot of superstars on this album. He is catching a lot of flack out of Miami for using the Miami sound and putting all these non-Miami people on there as well. But let's discuss where Mavado is at as far as his relationship with DJ Khaled and the placement on this album with Sizzla goes. So somebody I say, yo, SoFlo, in the year say Mavado, they done a number 22, and DJ Khaled I say, yo, nothing now going for Mavado as far as what he expected, all that was invested. A lot of people don't know this. It takes a lot of money to break an artist. It takes, especially if you're trying to do it on the level that DJ Khaled was trying to do it with Mavado. And you know they've always had this this saying out there in the streets that Mavado get a big opportunity to go amongst DJ Khaled, and he did a lot of... At one point they even called Mavado the rapper groupie because he was doing so many collaborations and he was always seen around rappers, right? Now, Sizzla comes out, he takes the #1 spot on DJ Khaled's new album, and people are saying that Mavado is heated about it. Is this a sign that DJ Khaled is doing away with Mavado or pushing him more to the side and taking on more of other talents? Or is DJ Khaled just searching for that one Jamaican banger? Because you know, say, dancehall runs closely hand in hand with hip-hop music, hip-hop rap music. So is DJ Khaled looking for that one Jamaican star? Is he through with Mavado? My thing is this. The rumor mill is spinning, and it's saying that they're at odds and ends through their relationship because of this placement. I personally don't think so. These two have been friends before they even inked a deal to bring Mavado over to the We the Best. They had been friends way before that. And I don't think him placing someone on an album at higher than where he would have placed Mavado would make their relationship be in jeopardy as far as friends go. Now, as far as business goes, Mavado might be looking at it as, why the hell am I all the way down at number 22 with all these other high-profile people ahead of me? You got Jay-Z, Beyonce, Rihanna, Drake, all these other people listed on the album ahead of Mavado, and then there's Mavado all the way down at 22, like right before the last track on the album. I want to hear what my audience has to say about this. Is this strategic placement, or is this just you're still my artist, so I'm gonna throw you somewhere on the album, but I got other tracks that are more important that I have to put before I put you on? I want to hear what the audience has to say about this. I know a lot of people are gonna come on at SoFlo TV and they're gonna be saying the same old stupid ignorant shit. SoFlo always I try to style Mavado. SoFlo always I try to style this person, style that person. I'm not trying to style anybody. I'm actually asking a legitimate question because this question was posed to me by subscribers. Is DJ Khaled doing away with Mavado? Did he not see his money back, his investments? Did he not see the fruits of his labors? Is this the reason why he has allowed Sizzla to take on the #1 track on his new album? Now, for me, I can say this. Sizzla is a huge, huge superstar. And if you ask me if Sizzla is bigger than Mavado, I would say way bigger than Mavado. Yeah, you got to understand this. How many albums has Mavado put out? Now, how many albums has SZA put out? A lot of people don't even know it. I think SZA has put out like 40-something albums. People in their lifetime, artists in their lifetime, most of these artists put out, and you're talking about artists that are around longer than my lifetime, they put out 20, 10, 15 albums, if that many. SZA is still young. Even though he might look older, he is still young. And he has put out 40 plus albums already. And he is a huge superstar in other parts of the world when you think about the global market. So I don't know if Khaled is trying to tap into that market. I don't know if he's trying to go the Rasta way and see what that happens, like pull away a little bit from dancehall and get more into the giving of thanks and the more Rasta way of things, the Levitical way of things. I don't know what his plan is. I want you to like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this, man. It's SoFlo TV. I'm up out of here, and I hope to get the album when it comes out, and I'm going to listen to it and then review the song that Mavado is on. I'm out.